On the other hand, a source informed that Langthabal MLA Karam Shyam went inside Imphal Hotel to meet Sambit Patra today. Responding to media queries, the MLA expressed hope that the central government will sort out political conundrum through consultation with all legislators in the state. While claiming that there is no constitutional crisis in the state, MLA Karam Shyam said he has no information about chances for imposition of president's rule in the state.
I don't know about the PR. I think that the problem will be solved by the center with the help of the legislature. I think so. I think that no constitutional crisis in Manipur. No problem at all. Let's see what happens. Anyway, good goes among the worry savani, and the Prajagia Papa, Lagani, solution of Lagani, problem to me. The Asia and the Nova news crack of Lagani and the Kal. Yam Arzen winner, the central leaders, state leaders in the Hyderabad and Hyderabad. To be taken by the center or state with consultant with the state leader. What I say about the eliminated suspension or PR or the choosing of leader, I can't say. The time will bring soon best solution in the interest of the public. Let's see. Already I told just the problem will settle within 2 days. Just 2 days or 2 more. Let's see.
Sekitang juga amtang. New government. Saya nama. New government. Sudah diusah. Saya betul. Sir, 1 minute. Hah? Apa lagi?